All right, everybody, since Dan's not here, he's out sick. We just finished the Pista. I should say Randy finished the Pista. I didn't do anything. And we're gonna start it up and see what it sounds like. This is the first start of the Pista. Randy's gonna hold the camera and I'll start the car.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
Yeah, it's not bad with the valves closed. Open them back up. You can hear the turbos at idle.
All right, everybody, here we are in the Pista. We're just taking it for a test drive. It's pretty epic. I don't know if you can hear that. I've got Randy here, and he's about to drive it because I'm going to turn around and let him drive it back since he did all the work. I feel it's only fair. But that Kline sounds amazing on this car. We got traffic, but you should really have a racing license to drive a car like this. It's too fast for the street. All right, here we go. Give it a little rev. Oh yeah. Put it in drive. Yeah, there you go. Randy does have experience driving fast cars, just not Ferraris. Sounds amazing.
So smooth.
I think on the Pista, the juice is worth the squeeze.
Yeah. Those shifts are like lightning
If you can afford it, you should buy one.
It's all quiet.
Yeah, and it can be very tame if you want it to be. Take it out of race mode, close the valves, good to go. We don't have any tunnels around here. That would be awesome though. It doesn't even need to be a tunnel, just like a wall.
It is the Palmer bypass on 45.
Yeah. It's significantly louder than stock, but it has the same sound. You turn here, so you can punch it on this road once it gets straight.
It wants like all the throttle. The tires are like, hold on a second.
We put brand new Pilot Sport Cup 2s on this thing, and they're even breaking traction after they're warmed up.
Yeah. What a car.
Yeah. Well, that'll do it for this little tidbit. We sell the Kline on the website. If you've got a 488 or a Pista, highly recommended. We also did a tune on this car with DME. It's got a DME tune and the full Kline system.